This is the Roxon hammer tool Rhino, also known as the H1. So this is a hammer-based multi-tool. There are not so many of those kind of tools, and among those tools, this hammer H1 hammer tool Rhino from Roxon is the best. So, yung presyo nito is a bit more expensive than the cheap generic hammer-based multi-tools. But I tell you, the quality of this one is way, way beyond the quality of those cheap multi-tools. So, before we open it, tingnan natin ano. So, this is by Champon Industrial Company, the owner of the brand name Roxon. And let's take a quick look at the specs, the important specs. The weight is 268.9 grams. The material used is 420 stainless steel. I think that refers to the body of the tool. ABS, meaning it has a plastic part, and 5CR15 MOV. I think this is the knife. So, high quality metal, high quality stainless steel ang ginamit dito. And these are the tools. Yan, quick lang, quick glance. Okay, now the packaging is good. It's like as if you're opening, an iPad or an iPhone. Elegant. So okay, so let's open it. So what do we have here? Okay, first you have the owner's manual, instruction manual. Okay. And what else? So, we have the tool itself. Meron siyang kasamang pouch, no? But the pouch does not cover the whole tool. Ano to? Belt pouch to. Ito, lalagay mo sa belt. But only the head is covered. So, let's try opening it. Dito muna tayo sa pouch, ano? Well, the pouch is well made. The nylon is thick. Okay siya. And the tool itself, ito yon. So, let's turn it around so you can see it. So, Rhino by Roxon. It's well made, huh? It's beautiful. Actually, it's elegant. And ito yung size niya, no? A small hammer, really. Okay. Now, we try to confirm, ano? According to this, the weight is 268.9 grams. Let's see in actual. I have here a weighing scale. $262 grams according to the weighing scale. Okay. Ngayon tingnan natin ano. Yung sukat nitong hammerhead. Okay. Kasi yun yung main tool niya eh. So more or less it's 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters. Yun ang size nung hammerhead niya. And I think kaya nila tinawag to na Rhino or this model, the Roxon Rhino, is because of this. Mukha nga naman siyang rhinoceros. Yung pantanggal ng nail or the nail puller. Okay. So aside from this nail puller and hammer, what do we have? So pinaka-obvious would be your ruler. This one is in inches. And ayan, inches. And on the other side would be in metric, no? This is centimeters and millimeters. Ayan. And let's take a look at the tools, before we open the other main tool. I think it is a suppliers, eh. So, okay, we have this knife, no? Regular size, no? Parang ito yung ang korte nito, parang ano eh, parang yung mga nakikita natin sa mga Swiss Army knife, ganun yung forma niya. Pero ang finish niya ay satin. So it's beautiful. And it locks, okay? Here's the locking mechanism. So I think all the tools na meron dito will lock and unlock using this mechanism. So now it's locked. So we unlock it, and tingnan natin yung next na tool na meron siya. So it has a saw. Manipis lang siya, no? Medyo manipis yung bakal na ginamit, no? It's thin. I don't think it will be that durable, but it's usable. But ang ano naman, no, ang kagandahan naman na medyo manipis to, mas madali mong mailalagari, no. Mas madali mo tong ipampuputol ng sanga or kahoy. So again, it will lock. Now we unlock it, and let's take a look at the next tool that this multi-tool has to offer. Okay, so we have here a combination tool. This one is a small flathead screwdriver. You have a can opener, you have a bottle cap opener, and you have a wire stripper. Okay, so far so good. And what else do we have? Oh, meron. The next tool would be ito. Okay, this is a combination tool again. This is a small Phillips screwdriver, and yung body niya is a file or liha. Yan. Kaya lang dito wala, sana nilagyan nila to eh. Sayang yung space eh. They could have placed they could have put a diamond file here eh. So sana dito is metal file, sana dito yung diamond encrusted file. Sayang yung space. Yun lang yung comment ko dito, no? So those are the tools that we have on this side, and we have another locking mechanism here, another locking and unlocking mechanism. Ito, we try to open it, and when I push it back, no, when I push it back, na-reveal yung kanyang pliers. Yan, no. So it has a pliers. Yan, no. Hindi lang nga siya needle nose. It's a stub nose pliers, stubby nose. Yan. Eto pa, meron pa, no. I don't know what this hole is. Ano ang purpose nito, I don't know. Yan. And it has a cutter too. And a hard metal cutter. Ayun, yung nakikita nyo may notch. So okay, nice touch. And eto pa, no, meron pa siyang isa pang tool. I think this is it. Teka, how do we get this ba? Tingnan natin yung manual, Hindi ko kabisado at kabubukas lang natin eh. Yun, nakalagay flintstone. So meron siyang flintstone to start a fire, to create a fire. So how do we get that flintstone ba? Okay, hindi pala ito, hindi itong orange na to, but the black one. Yun pala yung sa flintstone. Ayan. Okay, good. You have a flintstone, so you could start a fire. Yan. And para ibalik ito, paano nga ba? Teka pag-aaralan natin kung paano ibalik okay. So, pag in-unlock natin to, magfa-function yung kanyang pliers. Now, para ibalik siya, para maging lumapat ito dito, itong hawakan, para gamitin mo yung hammer, or let's say gamitin mo yung ibang tools para hindi ka naiistorbo dito. kailangan mong i-ano to, ibalik na ganon. Yun. Now it's locked again. Yan. So, Roxon Rhino. Ah. Again, sabihin ko sa inyo, no, ito yung pinaka maganda, the most beautiful hammer multi-tool in the market. There are other hammer-based multi-tools in the market, but not as beautiful nor as elegant as this one from Rhino. Of course, yung presyo nito or the price of this one is also a bit higher, no? Actually, 2 to 3 times higher than the other hammer-based multi-tools that are available in the market. But it's worth it. It's really beautiful. Look. Kaya lang at nung mineasure natin, ano ba yung kanina? 261 grams ba yung nakita ko? And dun sa box, no, nakalagay, it's, the weight is 268.9 grams. I wish na mas mabigat pa siya. Okay, this is one multi-tool na I can say that I would love it to be tawag dito heavier, kasi this is a hammer, eh. So it would benefit on if it is heavier than it is right now. Yon. So yun lang, ano. So to conclude, ito ano mga conclusion ko. Unang-una, nabanggit ko na kanina, no, maganda siya. So elegant siya. At mukha siyang matibay. Pulidong-pulido ang pagkakayari. Pangalawa, okay naman yung mga tools na kasama sa kanya, no? Enough lang para sa ano, sa daily task mo. Kumbaga, okay na everyday carry to, kahit na medyo mahaba siya, no? Medyo may kalakihan, medyo may kalaparan. Okay lang, no? Kasi maintindihan natin dahil this is a hammer multi-tool. Ang negative na nakita ko or cons, no? One is it would really benefit kung this tool is heavier. I don't know how they are going to make it heavier. Maybe ito siguro, instead of being an ABS plastic, they could have placed stainless steel or another metal here so that it could become heavier. Since this is a hammer-based multi-tool, it would really benefit kung sana ay mas mabigat siya. Yun ang comment ko dito. So ano pa ba? Meron pa ba ako nakitang cons dito? Siguro ito, no, being plastic, but I don't think it's not really a negative trait dahil mukhang matibay naman tong plastic na to, eh. Although again, no, kung ginawa sana nila itong metal, it could have been heavier and it could have been more durable. So if you are looking for a hammer-based multi-tool, I think this is the best hammer-based multi-tool that you can buy in the market. And mind you, it's not expensive. It's still affordable. Yan. So that concludes my mini or quick review and unboxing of this unique tool from Roxon. Thank you for watching.